What's up, everybody? Zach here. I want to do a quick intro for this video because I just feel it's really important for me to share something that's on my mind and something I've been reflecting on very heavily over the last couple months. I've talked about this before a little bit, but I was feeling burnt out on making tutorials and creating breakdown videos and whatnot. I've talked about that publicly, but what I really haven't shared that much anywhere is that burnout translated into my art as well. It was very difficult for me to sit down and make music for myself without me thinking, how am I going to turn this into a YouTube video? How am I going to make content out of this? And that was incredibly frustrating. Not being able to make music for myself and feeling like everything that I did had to become something that would be public. I did a lot of deep work to try and figure out how to work through that. And I'm just going to start making art again on YouTube with no assumptions or need to educate anybody on anything. I'm just going to start making music again. What that's going to look like is probably not that different for any of you. You're probably just going to see me making music and be like, oh, he's making music again. But internally for me, it's very different. I don't want to be educator Zach anymore. I just want to be artist Zach, and I just want to make music. And if you like what I do, cool. And if not, you think what I'm making is weird, that's cool too. Yeah, just want to be an artist and just want to make videos and share that with people. So that's what we're doing today. And we're going to get back into the groove of that. What I want to share with you today is that I'm working on an album. I don't like talking about my personal projects too early because I feel like that takes the momentum out. But it's been a couple weeks now of me writing things, and I think I have some material that's starting to become an album. I'm really excited about it. It's like a steampunk, Victorian, dark fantasy thing. I think it's gonna be super cool. But in the album, I've been trying to push myself and explore some new musical terrain. And what I wanted to share today was my process of creating what I'm calling tiny beats. What you'll see is a little recorded raw take of me writing tiny percussion music and seeing what it comes out and turns out like. We made 2 beats on this one. I think it's pretty cool. Might make more soon, but you'll see how it works, how I test it out, and I hope you enjoy it. Just do a couple grooves, like 130 or something. I guess I just gotta go random. So like... yeah, this is like totally new terrain for me. I like the marbles, that's cool. Ooh, the paper turns are really good. I think I like that better than the belt's too aggressive. Ooh, that's good. So I think the trick with this is going to be like not overusing any one thing. Yes, that's really good. Okay, maybe a randomizer? Okay, I like that minus the... I think I'm going to do it manually. It's going to sound better manually. It's pretty good. Yeah, that pitch is a little annoying after a while. Yeah, let's remove the 4 on the floor. I don't think we need it. Let's just kind of keep it like really organic. Okay, so now we want to spice this up a little bit. We need to get like some, like, brrr. So we could do note repeaters and then make this faster. Let's see. Mm-hmm. cool deleting the notes out for the triplet parts. So far, my favorite is the pocket watch stuff. Let's see what else we got. Cool. I'm trying really hard to keep the beat interesting so we don't have a lot of repeats. Holy shit. Oh, that's such a good sound. Muted music box. That's cool. This is going to tie it together. Cool. So my temptation here is to loop this. But as soon as I do, you're going to hear the pattern. So I'm not going to. This is what this album is all about for me, is breaking patterns and not doing loops and things. That's better. Now we could do a loop there, because that's I think I've earned that loop with 8 measures of non-repeated stuff. Pretty damn good. So right now I'm not trying to commit to anything like track names or anything. I'm just trying to write music and see where it goes. So this is in the right direction. Just out of curiosity, I want to see what happens if I throw in some sort of ambience or something. This cello is one of the instruments in the album right now. Yeah, see, like, it's gonna work. Kind of just want to test it against some music. I'm not gonna write specific like tonal stuff, but just experimenting. Where's my grand piano? It's pretty cool. This is the part where I get to like enjoy what I've done. I'm just gonna improvise for a second. Just feel like it. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, this beat will definitely work. So basically I'm creating a palette now out of these different sounds. So I can add this to the album as I go, which is really cool. So let's just do a second thing now, because I feel like this has an established groove. Let's do like something slower, just to see what I have to do under this. This is really cool. The challenge is that definitely doesn't loop. So we'll have to fake a loop in here. Got an idea. Let's grab the ending. Let's pull this 2 back so we can have this bleed into the ending. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then have this 2 measures come bleed back in here. All right, will that work? Mm-hmm. Like I said, right now, I am not judging anything that comes out. Including that. Let's just do a single, like, quarters. Like, this is already really interesting, I think. That was super cool. Just let some natural rhythms from this. I really want this with reverb. This freaking pss. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so we had like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers before, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So let's just like see if that's good. So again, testing stuff on top. Okay, so immediately what I'm noticing is the coins too often and just like generally distracting. So we'll do maybe like... Okay, that's better. I think we need some kind of like a consistent... This is a cool sound. Okay, and then the stopwatch, maybe we can have this go. Can we have it so that it swells each time? Yeah, so it's almost like a sidechain compression with the stopwatch. That's kind of cool. Couple more music box things. A little bit less. Fix that note. This is definitely a game of less is more. That sounds really good to me. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Yeah, this is great. Sweet. Well, if you want to see more of this journey of me making this album in real time, then definitely leave a like, subscribe for more so I can show you what I'm up to next. And once the album's ready to go, you'll hear about it from me. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.